Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in. Now go straight to My Stuff on the Hulu app or website because that's where saved shows live. Once in My Stuff, tap Profiles, then select Shows so you only see series. Use the search box to jump to the title you want or apply the show's filter to narrow results quickly. This keeps you from removing the wrong item and makes the next steps faster because you're already focused on the exact show to remove. On the show page, locate the My Stuff indicator, a checkmark or saved badge, and use that control to remove the title. On mobile, you'll tap the icon. Once done, on web you might need to hover to reveal the Remove button before clicking it. If you want to remove specific episodes instead, open episodes and unsave individual items rather than the whole series. This distinction matters because removing episodes after removal, refresh My Stuff or close and reopen the app so Hulu syncs the change across devices. Make sure to wait a few minutes. Sometimes servers take time. If the show still appears, sign out then sign back in to force a sync. Make sure your app is updated. Finally, clear the app cache or reinstall if necessary. If nothing works, check for multiple profiles or duplicate accounts so you don't miss the actual saved copy of the show.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.